Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine, Gabbo ani Kala Chonia Ukiri. To prepare this recipe, firstly take half cup of Kala Chana or black chickpeas and soak this in water for minimum 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Next, take a medium sized banana stem or plantain stem and chop them into thin slices. While chopping into thin slices, you can get some excess fiber out of it, roll it with your finger and discard them. Chop them further into fine pieces and immediately shift it into a bowl of water to avoid discoloration. Next, into a pressure cooker, add the previously soaked black chickpeas, half teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 cup of water and mix everything well. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook this for about 9 to 10 whistles in high flame. Next, in a non-stick pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 to 3 direct chili and prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, add the previously cooked black chickpeas, 1 cup of finely chopped banana stem or plantain stem. Now add salt as per taste and mix everything well. Add 1/4 cup of water and close this with a lid and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure it's evenly cooked. Now your delicious Gabbia Ukiri is ready. This healthy side dish can be had along with rice. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.